Hello, me fixing everything. And because there is always something to fix, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the memory, the RAM memory on your laptop. First thing you need to do before you buy the RAM is check what RAM you got on your laptop. The easiest thing you can do is look up the model number, go on this website. I'm not affiliated, I'm just using it. Yeah, go on this one. Type in the model number and you get a list of what memory you can have. So this one, I got 2 slots removable. It will say here you got removable, not removable, can you upgrade it? I know I got 2 removable slots and one of them have 8 gigabytes. Now, maximum can have 16. The motherboard can support 16, so the only point of having a stick of another 8 gigabytes. So what you can see here is important. You need to buy something which is exactly like this. Okay, so 1.35 volts DDR3 L-1600. I can't buy this one because I'm on the other side of the world, but what I got here is this exact thing. Is 1.35 volts, low voltage one, 8 gigabytes. Well, he wants to be in the video. So now, okay, I try to calm him down, but he doesn't want to. So now, when you got what you need, I already checked why I'm upgrading. I got 8 gigabytes, but when it's almost idling, yeah, it's idling on 5 gigabytes. So it needs quite a bit of memory, especially if you're using a drawing programs or Photoshop, something like that. Now we're gonna stop the laptop and we're gonna switch it off, turn it off. We're gonna shut down the laptop. Okay, gonna unplug it from the power. We'll take out the battery. Usually there is a screw, couple of screws, 5 screws. You don't need to dismantle the whole laptop if it's upgradable. Again, the RAM is right here. Okay, you can see it. You can. Yeah. Now, this is a sealed box, so just need both of my hands to pull the stick out. That's what I'm using, and that's what it is on the laptop. Okay, I just stick it in. Just make sure it's all the way in. I'm doing it with one hand, but when you do it with 2 hands it's a lot easier. And there we go. You can remove the plastic, but I'll just leave the plastic for now. Make sure all the clips are clicking. There we go. Now the battery. Let's turn the laptop on and hope for the best, maybe. It looks bluish, but it's black. It's just okay. Now let's scan the system. Now just press Ctrl Delete maybe. It's very low consumption right now, but it's gonna rise up. And as you can see, we got 16 gigabytes of memory. Also here on computer summary we should show, yep, 16. That's the laptop RAM memory upgraded. Very easy, even if you have a loud kid behind your back. Hope the video has been helpful to you. Leave me a comment and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.